And this video, guys, I will show with you step by step how to fix Roblox account manager not working. So guys, the first step you can do, go to your manager account, and this you can see and get from here. You can go to setting and multi Roblox enable and auto refresh cookies also make enable, and this is something else you want to do. And head over to your folder, right click on Roblox account manager and head over the property and find compatibility. Now from here you want to run this program and mode for Windows 11 and as an administrator and apply and okay. Now I am doing this. Should helpful, guys, this video. I hope this video helpful and fix your issue, and please like, share this video, and for any question, guys, down below comment here. Thanks again for watching.